Welcome to Beverly Place, where luxury, convenience, and accessibility come together. Imagine living in a peaceful, modern community designed for families, professionals, and retirees. Today, let's take a tour of what makes Beverly Place the perfect place to call home. At Beverly Place, your safety and peace of mind comes first. With 24/7 security, a good entrance gate, and a well-planned layout, you and your family can enjoy secure and comfortable lifestyle. Here, luxury is right at your doorstep. Beverly Place offers 3 exclusive clubhouses, each designed to suit different lifestyles. Alpine Clubhouse, a quiet sanctuary where you can relax by the pool, enjoy the fresh air, and unwind from the busy world. A stylish venue, perfect for grand celebrations, from birthdays and weddings to special family gatherings. Welcome to Oakland Clubhouse, the premier leisure and sports destination of Beverly Place. A place where comfort, recreation, and an active lifestyle come together in one exclusive community. Take a break and unwind in the scenic gazebo, that perfect spot to relax, breathe in fresh air, and spend quality time with family and friends. Cool off and make lasting memories for our kiddie and adult swimming pools, designed for both fun and relaxation. Enjoy year-round sports at the covered court designed for basketball, badminton, and convertible tennis court, a true paradise for fitness and sports enthusiasts. Celebrate life's special moments in our elegant function areas, perfect for weddings, birthdays, and community gatherings. At Beverly Place, you're not just buying a home, you're investing in a lifestyle of luxury, convenience, and recreation. Live in a prestigious golf community with an 18-hole championship course right at your doorstep, perfect for both casual and competitive players. Welcome to the prestigious Beverly Golf Clubhouse, where luxury, leisure, and world-class golfing come together in a breathtaking setting. As you step into the clubhouse, you are greeted by elegant architecture and a warm, inviting ambience, designed to provide both comfort and sophistication. This clubhouse is the perfect retreat for golf enthusiasts and guests alike. Beyond golf, Beverly Golf Clubhouse is a hub for relaxation and socializing, offering a refined yet comfortable atmosphere for members and guests to connect. The clubhouse also features state-of-the-art locker rooms, a pro shop with premium golf gear, and exclusive event spaces for private gatherings and tournaments. After a round of golf, unwind at our clubhouse restaurant, where you can indulge in exquisite cuisine and refreshing drinks while enjoying panoramic view of Mount Arayat.
Kung nakaabot ka rito sa panonood ng video na ito, please like and share. I-comment mo rin kung taga saan ka o anong bansa ka nanonood para malaman ko kung hanggang saan nakarating ang video na ito. Maraming salamat.
A golf caddy at Beverly Golf Club is more than a helper. They are a golfer's trusted partner, offering course insights, equipment prep, and game strategy. They also maintain the course and enhance the golfing experience, making every round more enjoyable. Imagine waking up to breathtaking view of Mount Arayat, a natural masterpiece that adds to the beauty of your everyday life. Enjoy morning coffee on your balcony. Watching the sunrise over the mountains bring a sense of peace and serenity to your day. Welcome to Beverly Place Residential and Business Estates in Mexico, Pampanga. Easily accessible via North Luzon Expressway, and it's located 5 minutes away from San Fernando exit. Beverly Place is surrounded by top-rated private and public schools, ensuring access to excellent academic programs. A bright future starts with quality education right at your doorstep. Para sa mga mahilig sa trail rides, good news! Malapit lang ang Beverly Place sa Sky Ranch Pampanga. Perfect spot para sa bonding with friends and relatives. Sulit na getaway na hindi masyadong magastos sa gasolina at travel time. Mas maraming oras para mag-enjoy kasama mga loved ones.
Napaka-convenient tumira sa Beverly Place dahil malapit ang lahat ng mahalagang establishment. SM Pampanga ay ilang minuto lang, kaya't madali ang shopping, kainan at entertainment. Sa Robinsons Starmills, matatagpuan ang mga pangunahing government offices like DFA, LTO, SSS at Pag-ibig, kaya hindi mo na kailangan bumiyahe ng malayo or gumastos pa ng gasolina. Mula sa Beverly Place, 5 minuto lang ang layo ng lahat ng ito. Mas mabilis, mas maginhawa, at mas tipid sa oras at gastos. 8 minutes lang ito sa Green City Hospital. Beverly Place is easily accessible sa major infrastructure sa Pampanga, with convenient access to Central Luzon Expressway, Manila-Clark Railway, at Subic-Clark-Tarlac Expressway, ensuring a fast, smooth, and hassle-free travel papunta at palabas ng syudad.
Hey everyone! This is Sai Tan-Gatue. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Kung interested kang sumama sa next site visit namin, i-comment lang ang preferred location mo sa baba at i-check ko ang available tripping para sa'yo. Huwag kalimutan, i-like, i-follow at i-share ito sa inyong friends and relatives. See you soon!
For free consultation, contact Dondi 0930-133-9303 and Sai 0915-658-9390 PRC. Accredited salespersons.